Pilates bars are a popular fitness accessory that can help enhance your Pilates workout routine. There are many products available to choose Pilates bars, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Pilates bars from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gayam Restore Pilates Bar Reformer Kit. The Gayam Pilates Bar Kit is a versatile home fitness equipment set that includes a Pilates bar with 2 resistance band cords and foot strap loops for a total body workout. This kit is perfect for sculpting leaner thighs, firmer buns, and a defined core. Its compact design allows for easy storage and portability, making it ideal for home gyms or studios. The included exercise guide offers practices for total body sculpting, cardio, and arm toning, helping you add variety to your workout routine. Number 2. Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. KOFOF Resistance Bar Kit is a versatile home gym equipment suitable for women's full-body workouts. The kit includes a Pilates bar with 6 resistance bands ranging from 20 to 150 pounds, making it ideal for various intensity levels. The upgraded metal adjustment buckle allows for quick and precise length adjustments. With easy installation and disassembly, you can conveniently set it up in seconds. This multifunctional kit can be used for yoga, Pilates, fitness, and more, targeting different muscle groups. The portable design makes it perfect for indoor or outdoor use, providing a complete workout solution. Number 3. Portable Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. Stay active and toned at home with the Alignergy Portable Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. Whether you're a busy mom or simply don't have time to go to the gym, this kit allows you to follow a full-body workout routine without leaving your home. The high-quality tension-resistant bands, with adjustable resistance levels of 20, 30, 40, and 50 pounds, provide a challenging workout for all fitness levels. The portable design makes it easy to store and carry anywhere, perfect for small spaces or taking with you on vacation. Additionally, the kit includes a guided 8-week workout plan to help you stay motivated and on track. With the Alignergy Lifetime Promise, you can have peace of mind knowing that if there are any issues with the kit, a replacement will be sent to you. Suitable for both men and women, the Alignergy Pilates Bar Kit is a versatile and convenient home fitness solution. Number 4. Hot Wave Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. The Hot Wave Bar Kit is an all-in-one home workout machine that offers a full-body workout experience. It comes with 6 durable resistance bands, allowing you to customize the intensity levels from beginner to advanced. This portable gym provides over 30 different workout options, including squats, bench presses, and rowing exercises. With adjustable straps, you can easily perform lower body exercises like squats and leg raises. The unique 3-bar structure targets core muscle strength, especially with the belly roller system, helping you shape your body, build muscle, and lose weight effectively. Number 5. Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. The Pale Clouds Bar Kit by Pale Clouds is a versatile Pilates bar kit designed for women's full-body workouts. The kit features a 3-section Pilates bar with adjustable resistance bands that can support 20 to 150 pounds, suitable for heights of 5.2 foot to 5.8. The kit includes a comfortable 2-in-1 handle with soft padding and wear-resistant D-buckles for easy resistance band changes. Additionally, it comes with an upgraded metal adjustment buckle and nylon rope with clear values for precise adjustments based on your height and desired workout. The portable design with a storage bag allows for convenient outdoor workouts or travel.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.